gain super strength and indestructible bones. But if you jump, all your bones will explode. You can kill whoever you want, but you have to have a finger cut off. You get a lifetime supply of pie, but you can never have cake again. You get to watch all of your favorite TV shows on Netflix, but 2 episodes are always missing from every season. You will not have to sleep for the rest of your life, but to make up for the lost sleep, you will be in a coma for 20 years when you press the ton. You get the chance to restart your life from scratch. New life, body and world. But you'll remember old life only in vague dreams, like something missing.